JNVST Class 6 results 2026 for the December 2025 PHASE1 exam are expected to be declared by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti in the last week of March 2026. Results for summer-bound schools are due in March 2026, while winter-bound results are likely in May 2026. The result can be checked at navodaya.gov.in using the candidate's roll number and date of birth. Key details for JNVST Class 6 Result 2026. 1. Result date, Phase 1, late March 2026. 2. Result date, Phase 2, expected May 2026. 3. Official website, navodaya.gov.in or cbsitems.nic.in. And 4. Information needed, roll number and date of birth. How to check Navodaya Class 6 Result 2026. 1. Visit the official website. 2. Click on the link, Class 6 Result 2026. 3. Enter the required credentials, registration number, roll number and password. And 4. Submit and download the provisional selection list or check individual results. Offline access, shortlisted candidates will receive SMS alerts, and the final list will be available at the local Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and District Education Office.